All right, I'm standing out front here of 15837 Limestone Way in Nampa, just down the street from Nampa Christian Schools. Such a killer location. There's a huge commercial development happening just up the road, but it still feels like you're living out in the country here. About 5 minutes to the freeway. Very quick access to Boise, Meridian, Caldwell. Really well positioned home. It's got this charming front porch. Some nice mature landscaping too. This home is about 4 years old. 2,200 plus square feet, 4 beds with a bonus room. Rooms are probably 11 by 11, the ones we've just been in. Average size for a house like this. Really nice configuration too. Master's on the other side of the home, so you get some privacy in the master bedroom, but a good configuration for, an office up front, couple bedrooms for the kids. Some nice storage under the stairs here. The vaulted ceiling in here makes this space feel nice and big. Really beautiful kitchen. Refrigerator comes with the home. One of the cool things about this house is it's on a corner lot. It's got a great backyard. On the right day, you could see them today. If you zoom in there, that's the Oahe Mountains, an unobstructed view of the Oahes. Nobody on the side of you. This is a small hobby farm behind you here too. So a good chance it's a very long time before that property is developed because of its configuration. It doesn't make a great development project. Really good side yard. You could easily fit an RV or a boat over here. Tons of storage space on this side as well. One of the nice things about this neighborhood is the space between the houses. A lot of subdivisions are getting tighter and tighter. This one has at least 15 feet to the fence line. Take you on into the master here. Perfect sized bedroom. It's not too big, it's not too small. Two big bright windows. Dual vanity, soaking tub, and a walk-in shower is a great feature. Toilet room, and then a pretty good sized closet. We'll hit the bonus room next. First, I'll take you into the utility room, which is a walk through into the 2-car garage. One of the best features in this house here is the upstairs bonus room. Good living room downstairs, great living room upstairs. Put the light in here. I mean, huge space. It's got to be 16 by 14 up here easily, potentially a little bigger than that. Nice big bright window. Take you back out front. Yeah, really nice coming down here into this open living space. Again, that vaulted ceiling just makes it feel good in here. And there you have it. you know, the fact that there's no neighbors because of the roads there and the side of this house, like, you just have a real sense of privacy at this particular property.